no secret that plastic pollution has become a crisis we can no longer ignore. Every day, over 60 million plastic water bottles are being thrown away, with only an average of 9% of them actually being recycled. Our mission at Monarch is to improve the way you carry by creating the most responsible, sustainable, and super functional everyday bag. Introducing the all-new Settra series bag, a premium all-in-one everyday carry, gym duffel, and travel backpack. Each bag is engineered with durable, water-resistant, global recycled standard rPET fabric made from 50 recycled plastic bottles. The Settra series everyday duffel pack has been meticulously and thoughtfully designed for commuting, traveling, hiking, and going to the gym. We used water-resistant, non-separating coated zipper coils to make the bag more weatherproof for unpredictable conditions. We've integrated multiple access pockets and low-pro zipper pockets for various storage needs, including a tech pocket and a shoe compartment with ventilation. Our multi-purpose strap design allows you to switch from duffel to backpack in a matter of seconds for hands-free travel. The comfort padded shoulder strap is instantly removable when switching carry functions. Simply pull the backpack straps from the hidden compartment and attach to corresponding D-rings. Use the adjustable sternum strap for added stabilization. Along with the everyday duffel pack, we've created compact and modular added inserts to make your bag even more functional, incorporating 2 compression packs to allow you to condense and arrange your clothes for travel, a camera and lens gear case with divided inserts to protect and organize your equipment, and a tech pack to keep all of your cords, drives, chargers, and other digital tackle in order. The Monarch Settra series is backed by lifetime warranty and the power to make a difference. Please share and support our campaign so you too can be part of our journey to divert plastic waste from our oceans and landfills into long-lasting sustainable products. Here's to our future.